Hi guys, my name is Anshul Sharma. So I am the CEO and founder of Flipper Limited. So today we are actually here to represent our company, Flipper Limited. So I would like to first of all give you a brief introduction about what Flipper Limited is all about, how we initiated the process, and how we came up with the name Flipper Limited and Flipper. So it was an idea that we had in 2011. Actually, it was not my idea. It was the idea of our founding member, Mr. Piyush Arora. So he had an idea, he had a concept that let us find a crisp name that actually involves everything and consolidates the technology, consolidates you can say service or a product. So at that time we didn't have any kind of an idea that where we have to take Flipper. So Flipper, it's an acronym. It stands for Fluid Performance. So Fluid Performance, as it merges both the domains. So fluidity is very important when we talk about technology. Even mobile apps, web applications, websites have to be fluid. And second most important thing is performance. So same thing is about Flipper. So in Flipper, we focus on both. We focus on fluidity, adaptability, as well as performance. So in 2011, he came up with an idea. So he started with Flipper, in which Piyush Arora actually found out that there was certain kind of an demand of technology. And at that time, we came up with an idea that Flipper should be a kind of a tech forum. It should be a kind of a tech magazine, and it should be focused on something that is related to technology, because at that time technology, if I talk about 2011, 12, 13, most of the things that were coming up were related to web. So we focused on that. So we focused on that there were no such companies or such magazines or such certain kind of blogs or forums that were representing technology in a more specific manner, especially in India. When we talked about, obviously there were so many magazines outside, Verge, Android Authority, or different kind of tech magazines, but TechScope or that kind of idea was not so. It was limited. It was restricted when we used to talk in that particular time. So we came up. He came up with that idea actually, and then we actually designed and developed the entire platform, and we named it as a Flipper Magazine. So in Flipper Magazine, we were more focused on technology reviews, content, as well as designs. So we actually wanted to represent something that is more easy to understand, especially when we talk about technology. So we started focusing on designs. So design representation of technology was done at that time, and we used to work actually on polygon art creation at that time. So polygon art was new. So in India, we are the only people who actually brought polygon art into picture. So if you search Google, if you just type polygon art creations, you will be able to see that many of the creations are actually featured in Google are actually made by Flipper Magazine. So Flipper Magazine, you can say we were skeptical about as we were in college. So we were skeptical about where we would like to take it further. So we had an idea that so let us focus more and more on technology. So we started an IT service company that we named as Flipper Technologies. So Flipper Technologies was all about web. So we started focusing on web applications, web development, web designing, web marketing, digital marketing. So this happened actually in 2013. So in 2013, Flipper actually came into picture, where it was established as a company, not just a forum or a magazine. So that was it, that we started from there. And then we started from web applications. We worked with huge companies in web applications like IBM. We worked with Accenture. We started focusing on ERP and CRM solutions at that time. So because it was in demand at that time, we started focusing on portal development, WordPress, CMS, content management system, learning management systems. So we started focusing on that. But if I talk about the recent years, web has become, obviously web is in demand, even if I tell you about today as well, but obviously it has certain limitations. So we focused on that as well. So we started focusing on government projects. We focused on getting many companies on board. we started focusing on bank applications. So we had very good companies associated with us like Dhan Lakshmi that came into picture. That was a cooperative bank at that time. Now it's a multi-bank. Then we also started developing bank applications for Ma Jhandewali Cooperative Society and other financial applications as well. So we were earning good. We were 5 to 10 people team. So we were earning good. We were great at that time. So then came into picture where we got an opportunity to to get certified from IBM. So we did that. So IBM helped us out a lot. So now if I talk about Flipper Limited, it's an IBM certified company and a NASSCOM certified company. So if I talk about my recent years and recent years of Flipper, so Flipper Limited has transformed itself from being just a web development company or a startup to completely everything. So we provide an end-to-end solution to our clients that is completely from web applications, website designing, digital marketing to app, mobile applications, Android, iOS, and digital marketing, app promotions, reviews, feedbacks, app optimization, and that kind of stuff. So now Flipper, if I tell you about what Flipper is a web and mobile application design, development, and marketing agency that is worldwide, and we have 3 branches in Delhi. Now we have opened a new branch in Noida where I am right now, and this is a new base. We have a very young, talented people, and we are doing a lot of collaborations with many of the huge companies like Computing Australia, which is one of the biggest venture in Australia, where they are into IT development. So we are getting a lot of guidance and a lot of training from them. And right now, if I tell you about Flipper, so we are more centric to mobile applications, IoT, Internet of Things, and iBeacon technology chatbots. So we are more focused in that particular area because it's in demand. So wearable applications, that kind of technology we are working on. We have a research lab in Thomas Center. If you have heard about Thomas Watson Research Center, we have a relation with IBM Research Center. So we are working in collaboration with IBM Research Center to create our own research lab in India. So we are more focused on new things, new coming up demands, new coming up technologies. So we are more focused on that, as well as we are focused on getting more and more clients on board. So most important thing, if I tell you about Flipper, is that Flipper doesn't actually focus on money more importantly. Obviously money is very important. It's one of the primary reasons why I am giving you this interview, or why I am giving this making this as a representation. But more importantly, Flipper focuses on authenticity and transparency. That is very important, because when we are communicating with our clients, most important is that we are honest. We are honest with them, and we give them that kind of an guidance where they are able to understand whether their project is technically feasible or not. So most important, if I tell you about the process of Flipper Limited, is that we first start with the blueprint and brainstorming of the requirement analysis, as well as the technical analysis of the requirements of our clients. So we have a very good BA team who are 7 years of experienced people who are working in our company. So we do a lot of analysis, we do a lot of requirement gathering, and that is the primary step. And then we create a blueprint. So blueprinting, that we also call as wireframes, are done free of cost. So we don't charge anything from our clients and customers for the wireframing and the blueprinting part, because that is very important, and clients should have the opportunity to actually find out whether their project is practical, whether their project is technically feasible or not. So whether it is a web application or a mobile application, we are focused in providing wireframing and blueprinting. That has to be done first. So we don't charge anything. We do it for free. We do it for, you can say, actually make client understand that whether they have a potential, especially with their idea or not. We are working with a lot of startups. If I tell you about our recent applications that we have made, so we can start from event management. We have worked with Gold Star, that is one of the top rated developers. In real estate, we have worked with Trulia, that is also one of the top rated. In taxi, we have worked with Yandex Taxi. E-commerce, we have worked with a Southern Asian client. Laya Lina. If I tell you about on-demand services, we have worked with Time Savers, dating applications. We have done Badoo and Blender that are one of the top-rated applications in dating applications. In health, if I tell you about, we have worked with iCare Hospital. In fitness, we have worked with Daily Yoga. And in banking applications, we have worked with Dhan Lakshmi, IndusInd Bank. So we have premium clients, and we have developed and designed premium applications for them. We are not just a development company. We are a designing, strategy making, and a development company that focuses on providing a 360-degree end-to-end solution to our customers. So that is what we are today. Most importantly, if I tell you about the process, how we communicate with our clients, we first start with communicating about their environment, communicating about their target audience, communicating about what their idea is about, right? We have to understand, we have to empathize with the client, and that we do today. Once that is done, then obviously we have to give a feature listing that we call as CF1, that is Client Formation 1. So Client Formation 1 is basically is one of our, you can say, a short term for explaining that we do a very detailed feature listing, point to point, technical feature listing about the project. And then we give a quote or cost effective, you can say, the entire effort estimation in terms of time as well as in terms of cost. So our cost is fixed. Nothing, for example, if a client demands for new changes or new extra features at the time when the project is freezed and the wireframe is done. So we don't actually, if I tell you about that, we don't charge from the client in terms of change requests that the other companies do. But we actually make it possible that whether if it is technically feasible within the effort that we have quoted for, then we don't charge anything. Obviously, if it is a new technology or a new functionality that the customer demands, obviously we have to charge for that, because it will be extra effort that we didn't know at the time when we closed the project. So another most important thing about Flipper is that we have a dedicated team for every project. So that is very important. Many of the companies, they don't actually deliver what they say. I'm not degrading the company's reputation. They are top companies who all are our competitors. But the most important thing to understand is that when we are actually developing the project, we should have a dedicated team, especially for the startup ideas, because that is very important, because startup ideas do not have a reference. If I tell you about, there are so many ideas which are very unique, so we are not able to find any inspiration or a reference, right? So that is very important to understand, that we focus on. Another most important thing is that is project management and 24/7 real time tracking that we provide to our clients. So that is another very important advantage for our clients, that they are able to actually see 8 hours a day. They are able to actually see what our developers who are dedicated for their project are actually doing in their screens. So how we do that? We do it under the Agile Scrum methodology that we follow, and we do it with the help of Jira project management software that provides a target real-time tracking to all our clients. So that is very important when we talk about communication, because obviously I'm a sales guy, I'm a business head of this company, so obviously I can pitch my customers and can attract them, but the most important thing is that they should be able to communicate 24/7 with the developers. So that is very important, because they are the actual people who are coding their project. So that we provide that opportunity to the clients to actually to actually communicate with our developers. So another most important thing is milestone planning. So we do a lot of, you can say, according to Agile Scrum methodology, we have a Scrum Master in our company, which actually whose role is to actually develop a milestone plan according to Agile methodology, and then milestone plan is provided to our clients. And once the milestone plan is freezed, so milestones are actually checkpoints of the entire project. So we don't deliver the project 50%, 25%, 70% or 100% stages. We develop it in terms of modules, and every module is provided to a client in order to understand and take his feedback or her feedback, that whether we are on the right path or not. So that we do it. And then milestone planning is actually the most important way. If I tell you then the milestone plan is freezed, and then the modules are divided in terms of the team, and then the development happens. So milestone planning, many of the companies, they say that they are actually into milestone planning, but we actually implement it and freeze it in a more appropriate and a more functional way. So our modules cover all the parts. If I tell you about mobile applications, we cover from Android, iOS, web, backend, dashboard, APIs, web services, everything into one functional module. So the milestone that we deliver to our client, it is functional and the client is actually able to see whether the application is working or it is crashing. So we have a QA team that are working, genius people we have in quality assurance. We have 24 years experience people who have worked in quality assurance, and they are actually connected with us since very long time. So quality assurance is very important. Another most important thing, as we have told you, that we are not just a development company, we are a designers. So we have a very good team of designers who are more focused in creating an interactive look and a very intuitive design according to the inspiration or references that the client provides, or through the experience that we have. So we actually have designed UI kits and prototypes and mock-ups for our clients with the help of so many softwares like InVision, mock-ups. So we do that. So that is another very important way of representing the designs to our customers and to all our clients. So that we focus on. Obviously, we are young people. We are just 3 years, 4 years old company, and in mobile, if I tell you about, we are just 1 year old company. So that is very important, and till now we have developed more than 100 applications, and we have more than 70% of regular customers who are retained from a very long period of time with us, and we have a very young, talented, skilled people in our base. That is very important. We are young people, so we don't have any expectations. We don't have any expectations in terms of monetary, or in terms of, we don't have nothing to lose. What is very important thing is that when a person doesn't have anything to lose, then he or the company never lies to our customers, never lies to the customers who are the actual backbone of the entire company. So we are honest people, we are transparent. Come visit us, communicate with us, you will see the difference. That's what I wanted to tell you about. This was a short description about our company. I hope you liked it. And the only thing that I want to tell you lastly is, just connect with us. You will see the difference. You will find that we are the most cost effective and most affordable company in terms of designing, in terms of marketing, in terms of development. So we are not just a development company. We optimize the code, we provide the entire documentation to all our clients in a very appropriate way, that the clients should be able to understand whether the project, whether the code is optimized or not. So every code, or every, you can say, every small module represents the functionality. So we document it in such a way that every module code is actually be understandable to the client, that what functionality or what code is doing what functionality. So we do that, and we are more focused, we are addicted to that particular idea. So visit us. I hope you liked it. I would like to collaborate with you. Just try us once, and definitely you will see the difference. Most importantly, we are fluid performers. Just get connected with us. I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.